So we're unboxing the new LG. What is it? Oh, 69. 65 B9. Can't read either. Says stop. Wait. Inspect your TV immediately following delivery. Report any damages within 2 days. If TV is cracked, do not power it. Call for return authorization. Do not discard the shipping box. We just cut it. But we can tape it.
Duct tape. Yep,
duct tape. Always use 2 people to carry or mount your TV. Hold the TV by the edges so the screen can easily shatter if any pressure is applied. You hear that?
Yep.
Okay. Always use compatible mounting hardware with the TV. Any TV with more than 60 minutes of use cannot be returned. So it must have a timer in it.
Alright, let's move to the living room.
Are you gonna record?
We gonna open it here?
Yeah, why not? And then we carry it to the living room.
It's pretty easy to carry in the box.
No. What kind of plate?
That's the stand.
Manual? Does that have a whole tape?
Yes. What's this power strip and everything?
Yeah. What? Dude.
Yes.
Look at this thing.
What in the world is a TV?
Yes.
That's the TV.
Oh,
Yes.
that's the stand.
That's the stand.
Yeah, let's carry it in the box. That thing looks like paper.
You gotta reach down and carry it by the edges.
If you can't touch the glass.
Can you get the side one off? Yep, get the side one off.
That is paper, not a TV.
Your paper.
Alright. We gotta reach down and carry it by the edges. So reach down at the bottom of the edge and come straight up.
Oh, the styrofoam?
No, the screen. Just like that, see?
Oh. You're in the bottom right?
No, I'm just to the side of it. So.
Careful.
Yep.
Put it on the styrofoam?
Yep. Now reach the bottom. You got it?
No.
I
Look
got
at
it.
the bottom of this thing.
I got it.
I don't. Alright. On my
It
bed.
may be thin, but it is heavy.
On my bed.
On the floor.
Remember not to put pressure on the glass.
Here.
Wow.
Check this out. Come here. This is my pen. Can you see that?
Your pen.
That is insane.
Put it back.
You don't show it like that from the top, silly.
I know.
All right.
Can you get the...
We gotta get the stand on it. I got it. Go ahead and open it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Sick.
Ah!
How the heck do you move this TV?
You don't. You're not supposed to keep moving TVs.
Wait, so where's this going?
In the living room?
Jeez. For movie night? For Christmas?
You should have the screws that go in the back.
Oh, you're supposed to grab it from... Yeah, where were we grabbing it from?
I know. I read it.
What the heck happened to...
Alright, well, brand new TV.
It's a piece of glass. What do you expect?
I'm recording.
You started early. You go first.
Well, you didn't want me to start now?
No, that's fine. You already did.
Ooh, I can see
Record.
me.
Record.
I can't see it. Oh, God.
I'm good. You need to go.
I know that. Nice big grip.
Alright. I gotta go rearrange my room now.
You need to come this way, no?
Yeah, but out back too.
I'm trying to go back. Which way you going?
Right, go back right there.
Too far.
Right there. Let me see. Optical cable. Oh yeah. Oh what? Get out of town.
I prefer not to.
Dude, this is so cool. I never had an optical cable before.
Me either. I've never seen one in person.
Oh, what is that?
It's glass.
Yes, it is.
And it's NFC. It's hard
Oh,
to
yeah?
connect.
It's got plastic on the bottom.
Those are the feet, Mom.
No, it's not. Right there, in front. I don't know what that is.
Right here, the protected for the receiver.
Is it blocking some? It's blocking some of the screen, ain't it?
It'll be all right. You'll survive. Boy, where you going? I told you the keyboard was not in there. All right. Home or away?
Away, we're taking the bus. Morning.
Oh, there you go.
That's to be that way.
Can you leave the triple A's in the bathroom?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, where's the power cable? Is that it?
Dude, I'm still fighting with this cable over here. I don't want to break it.
No, I'll do it in a minute.
It's red.
Whoa, that's Google. Ooh.
I know. Show. Let me see. Wow. That's it. That's the only way it goes in. But it's got to click.
Button on your remote.
Exactly. That's why they want to force it.
Wheel. Button on your remote.
Turn the sound bar on.
Confirm the location and language set.
Yeah, we're gonna stop.
Yeah. Dang, 72.
What's up, buddy? What's up, Sparky? Hello, you spoiled mutt. Hello, you spoiled mutt. How you doing, buddy? Did you miss me? Hey, did you miss me? I miss you too, buddy. How was your day? How was your day?